Hello everyone and welcome back to Tuscany. I am Danilo Romolini and today we are in the southern part of this region in Cetona, a beautiful village which is 10 minutes from the property we're about to visit and surrounded by spectacular Tuscan hills. The home we are about to see is a beautiful country home. It has a manicured garden, aromatic plants, olive trees, fruit trees, a dependance, and the main house. Everything perfectly restored in a cozy and modernized style. Let's begin the tour. Come with me. The location is excellent. We are just 10 minutes to Cetona, which is the closest village with all of the services and excellent restaurant. Then we are 30 to 40 minutes to Montalcino and Montepulciano, which are some of the most beautiful locations in Tuscany. And we are as well 1 hour and 30 minutes to Florence and less than 2 hours to Rome, respectively, with their airports. You access the property through this beautiful driveway that you see behind me, and you already can admire these plants all around and how this property welcomes you with its garden. There is this driveway, and on the right by the entrance there is a second access to a large parking area on the lower part, which is very useful if you have guests or you have friends at the property. Let's speak about the buildings. The first one right behind me is the main villa, with approximately 300 square meters in internal spaces, laid on 2 levels and including 4 bedrooms. On my right, we find the Guesthouse, which is about 100 square meters in internal spaces and is hosting 2 bedrooms with a kitchen and a comfortable living area. On the back side of the garden, I will now show you the beautiful swimming pool. Follow me. The pool is incredible. It is really large, 14 by 6 meters. It has a more shallow area at the beginning with some steps in the water, which is very comfortable to relax on. And then there is also a deeper area on this side if you want to dive. All around, it has terracotta edge all the way and the travertino detail right by the edge of the pool. It has a view on the upper part of the property, on the forest on the left side, and of course on the 2 buildings. A few steps away from the swimming pool, we have a beautiful jacuzzi. It is ideal for the colder months, but as well for the summer to enjoy some windwhirl tub. One of the most beautiful spots on the outdoor spaces is for sure this dining area terrace. We are right by the kitchen. In fact, through this window door, you access directly onto the kitchen space. And this is a sheltered area, also from the sun, very relaxing and calm. You have this flat, very comfortable garden right in front. Behind this corner, you find a conversation area which is more private, and behind that other corner there is a long loggia with a sitting space and relaxing spot. Let's begin with the guest house. As soon as you walk in, you notice these really high ceilings and this broad space. It has 2 large windows on this side and another one on the kitchen part. I love how it is all open space with a sitting area over there with a TV. You have a dining space on this side and a large kitchen over here. Let's see the bedrooms. The bedrooms are two, and each one has its bathroom. The bedrooms are both with a high ceiling taking up the whole height of the building. We have this elegant terracotta floor all over and these light colors on the walls. This bedroom specifically has the bedside on this part, and behind this wall we find a comfortable closet area. This is bedroom number 2. It comes with 2 single beds, same height of ceilings, and by the way, the house is fully equipped with air conditioned. Also here we find the same style and lots of natural light. And here is the best part. We are inside the main villa on the ground level. The main door opens up right away into this large room, which includes 2 separate sitting areas with 2 conversation spaces. And on that side, the dining area, which is having access and overlooking the long loggia I've shown you earlier. I love this room and I love its style in all of its details, beginning from the terracotta tiles, which are not the traditional ones that you find on most farmhouses. They are lighter in color, very elegant, and they are squared. Very beautiful and sophisticated. I love how on the ceilings they are not flat, but they are detailed with this central arched part, which adds extra depth to this space. On this part over here, which is the sitting area with the TV over there, we have the working fireplace. This is ideal for a cozy winter evening. On the right side of the sitting areas, there is a large arch which has a second access onto the outdoor spaces and a service bathroom on the right part. The room is really large and has been divided into sections through mostly furniture and this wall in the center. In fact, on this part we get to another section which is like a hallway which connects these beautiful staircases that go to the bedrooms upstairs. On this side we have like a storage or pantry space over here, and let me show you the kitchen. We're now in one of my favorite rooms in the whole house, the kitchen. It is truly gorgeous. It is large, spacious, it has a huge central island over here with lots of storage on the bottom part. This is excellent as a working station, and lots of other space over here with this big window overlooking the garden. It is fully equipped, has lots of drawers and space. Over here we have a dishwasher, large sink, gas top, the extractor on this side, then the oven. Here we have a large fridge with 2 parts. This is a freezer part and this is the normal fridge area. The end of the island has a bar area, so you can sit down, have breakfast or enjoy a drink before dinner. I love the details because even when you open it, it has lots of details like these beautiful lights on the inside, lots of drawers, everything in excellent condition. It is all very comfortable and practical. This is the large door that accesses onto the terrace with the outdoor dining table I've shown you earlier. And on the other side of the kitchen we have an extra storage part over here with a smaller table for a quick breakfast or for a snack. This door accesses onto the loggia outside that is facing the swimming pool, and through these stairs we get to a large room which is the whole size of the kitchen, can be accessed also from the outside, and is a very practical room because it can serve the kitchen as a large pantry. At the moment there is also a laundry area, which is very practical, and a bathroom down there. This could also be a staff quarters because it has its own independent access. You could place a bed there and it would have access to the kitchen if staff also cooks. Very practical. It's now time to see the first level. You access it through this internal staircase, which is truly beautiful. It is really spacious. It is decorated with this dark gray marble and very simple but elegant. You can appreciate the whole height of the internal spaces from this stair. And once we get to the first floor, you'll right away notice how the floors are not made in terracotta, but instead they're made with beautiful light wood boards. On this floor we find 4 bedrooms, and these are the first 2. Let's have a look. The 2 bedrooms on this side of the house respectively overlook the back and the front part of the garden. They are both very cozy. One has higher ceilings up to the roof. The 2 bedrooms on this side of the house are respectively overlooking the front and the back part of the garden. They are both really spacious, they are comfortable, and both bedrooms, just like the rest of the spaces, are equipped with air conditioned. They as well have an ensuite bathroom. This is bedroom number 3. It is very particular. It has the bedroom first with this large library over here with a TV space. And on the second part, it has an office area. This is very comfortable, and 2 large windows over here. This is a very unique bedroom because it has its own independent access through the outdoor staircase that I've shown you earlier. This bedroom is served by a large bathroom with a huge shower and a window overlooking the garden with the pool. Welcome to the largest and primary bedroom. It is super spacious. I love how it has windows on 2 sides with a corner. In this way it gets lots of natural light. In fact, it is super bright. On this part we can see this large wardrobe that has been made bespoke, and in the center it has a hidden door with a mirror to access the ensuite bathroom. Let's see it. What I loved most about this house is for sure how comfortable and well-sized it is. I think that all of the outdoor spaces are very well laid, but at the same time they are quite flat, so very comfortable to live. Also indoor-outdoor lifestyle in the summer. Indoors it is beautifully furnished and beautifully finished. Everything is really elegant, simple but sophisticated. The kitchen is brand new, which is a really important aspect. And also in terms of bedrooms, it is very well sized. I hope you enjoyed it, and please let me know if you ever come to Tuscany. I would love to show it to you personally. Don't forget to subscribe to the Romolini channel for the best homes of Italy every week. Until next time, ciao!